Good afternoon, guys. Again, I'm into the backyard of my garden right now, and I'm going to show you guys my beautiful, gorgeous Socia Sundance flowers plants in here into the backyard of my garden. It's really that's the way it's looking now. This is the way how it looks like now. I got a pretty heavy flowers this time, and yeah, but the Daria color is this the one here. It's a kind of lemon leaves, lemon lime green leaves without flowers, and this is the way how it looks like now. But during the other side that is facing into the sun during the morning time, and this is growing a lots of flowers really, and the flowers is very beautiful smell, especially during the morning time. Yeah, so it's really lovely by hanging around into my garden in here, especially the morning time. And this is how it looks like. And again, this kind of Sucia Sundance flowers plants that I had here at the back of my garden is part of pretty hardy plants really, because during the winter time I don't have to look after to it, just leave it. And sometimes during the heavy summertime as well, I just give some water to it. I don't even put any kind of fertilizer, because this kind of plants, flowers is very hardy plants that it survive without any water. It survive during the cold weather on any kind of climate we had here. It survived, and it look really looking gorgeous, and I don't have any kind of problem to it really. No, that's why I'm pretty lucky by having this. And it's really strong kind of plants during the, I mean, any different kind of climate we had. Yeah, because we used to have here four different kind of climates, like spring, autumn time, summer, and winter, things like that. And this kind of plants is doing pretty well, and I don't have any problem to it. All I do is just trimming after after autumn time. Had to spray to trim a little bit, just to trim, not too much. That's the way I did it into this kind of plants that I had here. Yeah, really gorgeous looking. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna stay pretty much longer in here, and I'm gonna do a little bit more uh video taking again, because I guess this the plants and flowers that I had here, they start blooming more flowers again. So I'm gonna take a little bit more video later on. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.